Set yourself up for success with these 5 rules of goal setting. If you want to succeed at finding your life's purpose, then you need to set goals. Without them, you will lack focus and direction. Not only does goal setting allow you to take control of your life's course, but it also provides the benchmark for determining if you've been successful. To accomplish your goals, you need to know how to set them. Here are 5 rules for setting goals that will set you up for success. Rule number 1. Set goals that motivate you. It is essential that when you set goals for yourself, that they are ones that motivate you. This means that you have to make sure that they are essential to you, and that there is value for you to achieve them. If you don't have any interest in the outcome, then the chances that you'll put in the work to reach them is low. Rule number 2. Set SMART goals. In order for your goals to be powerful, they need to be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, time-bound. You must set specific and clear goals that you can measure. They should include precise amounts, dates, and so on, so you can measure your degree of success. Your goals have to be attainable and relevant to the direction you want your life to take, and they must include a deadline for when you will reach your goal. Rule number 3. Set them in writing. Physically writing down your goal will make it real and tangible. As you write down your goals, be sure to use the word will rather than would like to. Using the word will has power, and it will allow you to see yourself accomplishing your goals. Rule number 4. Make an action plan. This is a step that is often missed. You end up getting so focused on the outcome of your goals that you completely forget to plan the steps needed to reach your goals. When you write down the individual steps and then crossing them off as you achieve them, it helps you realize you are making progress. Rule number 5. Stick with it. Goal setting is an ongoing activity, not merely a means to an end. To keep yourself on track, build reminders into your schedule and make regular appointments with yourself to review your goals. Goal setting is more than merely saying that you want something to happen. By following these 5 rules, you can set your goals with confidence and enjoy the satisfaction that comes with knowing that you've achieved what you've set out to do.